Now the second example, x square minus 6 equals 2 times square root 2 times x. So let's rearrange this. Now this quadratic equation, we need to compare it with the standard form of the quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So on comparison, we get the value of a as 1, the value of b as minus 2 times square root 2, and the value of c is minus 6. So let's get the value of b square minus 4ac. Now minus 2 times square root 2 the whole square. Let's do it here. So it is minus 2 times square root 2 multiplied by minus 2 times square root 2. So minus minus is going to be plus. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4, and square root 2 multiplied by square root 2 will be 2. So this is going to give 8. So we have 8 plus 24, which gives 32. The formula is x equals minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now let's substitute the value. Minus b is minus 2 times square root 2 b square minus 4ac we have already calculated. It is 32. Two times a is 1. Simplifying further, square root of 32 can be written as 16 times 2, and square root of 16 is 4, so we get 4 times square root 2. So I am writing the same here. So we get x equals 2 times square root 2 plus 4 times square root 2 divided by 2, or x equals 2 times square root 2 minus 4 times square root 2 divided by 2. Let's simplify this. Now 2 times square root 2 plus 4 times square root 2 will give 6 times square root 2 divided by 2 as it is, and this is going to give 2 minus 4, meaning it is minus 2. Minus 2 times square root 2 divided by 2. So the value of x is 3 times square root 2, or it is minus square root 2. So the roots of the equation are 3 times square root 2 or minus square root 2. You can write down this as solution set.